Hello friends, today we are going to learn about how we can send multiple documents like certificates to the multiple participants of an activity, online activity. It could be an FDP or SCTP or any other online webinar using a Google add-on, that is why yet another mail match, YV So let me share my screen first of all so that we can learn and see practically that how it can be implemented. So here is my screen. That is the certificate in the Word format which I have prepared to send the participants of an activity. I have left some field blanks like name and the affiliation of that particular participant. We need to create that certificate individually, so we need to use the mail merge option of the Word. I have already prepared an Excel file in which the details of the participants are there. Like you can see that name, affiliation, and email IDs are there. So we are going to start the mail merge option by clicking on that mailing. Start mail merge, normal Word document. Then I need to select the list Excel file that I have created. So by clicking on that, select recipients, use existing list. So I am going to select that list over there. I am going to import actually. So I need to select the sheet in which the data is there in that Excel. So sheet 1 was there. So I have selected that sheet 1. Now I need to merge or insert the merge fields. So I need to select that particular area where I want to insert. Now on clicking in that insert merge field, you can see that the headers of that columns are there already. So I am going to select that name because I want that name over there. Then affiliation if I want, then affiliation I need to select. So now you can change these particular tags also, like it could be black, bold, it could be italic. Now what we need to do, we need to see the preview, whether the certificates have been generated. So yes, here are the certificates that have been generated using mail merge. We can move further and see the different certificates by clicking on that arrow buttons. So you are here, you are able to see that the different certificates have already been generated. Now I need to click on that finish merge option and edit individual documents. We need to select all, or we can select some specific page numbers also. Clicking onto that OK button, I will get a particular Word file which contains all the individual documents. So 4 documents are there in a single Word file. You can see that. Now I need to save it as a PDF file so that it can be split easily, and we will be able to get the documents or the certificates individually. So I have saved that particular file as a PDF, and after generating the PDF, what I need to do is I need to split that particular PDF into the individual documents. Okay, so for that I am going onto the online website, that is I love PDF. From that I can split that PDF and I can get the individual PDFs for individual participants. So I need to use this option, split PDF. Here I can select the PDF. That PDF I have just created over there. Okay, I need to select it. Then I need to extract the page individually. So I need to select that particular option, extract pages. Here I can select that what page I need to extract out of the available pages. So split PDF now. So in this way that PDF is being split into the individual documents, individual certificates. Automatically zip file will be downloaded over there, and I have already downloaded it and extracted that PDF, and in this way I will get the 4 different certificates of 4 different participants. Okay, now I have generated the individual certificates of all the participants of the activity. Now I need to move on to the Google Drive, where I have created a folder that is yet another mail merge demo. Here I need to create a folder which contains the certificates. So certificates are copied already. So I have copied all the certificates over there, and I have also created a demo Excel Google Sheet in which actually I have put the information of the individual participants like name, affiliation, and email IDs. These email IDs are the email IDs where we will throw the certificates. Okay. Now this particular column has been left blank because here I am going to put that name of the file. That file is actually the PDF file. So I'm going to copy that particular name and I am going to paste that name over there. So now you can see that this particular candidate will get the certificate. So I need to map them actually. So the name of that file which we have just stored in my drive must be same in that Google file, Google Sheet, so that this particular candidate will get the certificate, his certificate only. Similarly, the second one will get his certificate only, and so on. And these certificate will be thrown to these particular email IDs. Okay, now I need to start the add-ons, get another mail merge. So this actually, first of all, you all need to install this particular add-on in your Google Drive that is easily available online. So I am going to start mail merge now. So with the help of that tool, we will be able to send these certificates individually. So please remember that like along with the name of the candidates, the certificate must be associated and mapped. Okay. So recipient column, here we need to select the recipient column email ID. So obviously email ID column is there on which we need to send the certificates. Okay. So now save. So recipient will get the certificate on that particular email ID. Okay. Now need to continue. Here is the name of sender that will appear while your mail will be received. Email template. I have already created an email in my draft. You can see over there. In my draft, I have created a certificate of completion email. Here I have put the name in brackets. The name is same as that there in that Google sheet. So that names will be put or copied from that Excel sheet into the mail which will be sent to the participants. Okay, there's the body is there. So I need to select that particular template from there. So this is the draft which I have already created, certificate of completion. Then I need to attach the files to personalize. On clicking the personalize attachment, I can be able to attach the documents or the certificates that I have stored in my drive. So import from drive folder. You need to click at import from drive folder. So here you will get that particular drive or your folder in which the certificates are there. So here is a folder in which the certificates are. So we need to select the certificate and click onto the select import file now. So in this way, all the files have been imported. Here you can see that all the 4 files have been imported and has been attached. And in background, you can see that all the attachments, link of that particular certificates, dual link of that particular certificates are being associated with that particular row. Okay. So now it means that this particular candidate will get that particular certificate stored at that link. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to go back and we need to send 4 emails. Now we need to click on that, send 4 emails. And now the process has been started and that particular individuals would get the certificates. So one certificate has been thrown and in this way all the certificates will be delivered to the particular candidates. All the emails have been sent. So okay, so now the tracking report is also there. You will be able to see that who has been opened the mail, who has not been opened the mail, or like if any bounces are there, or other things are also there. We can check that. So email sent message status is there. So email has already been sent. So let us check that email has been received or not. So for that, I am going onto that particular email ID on which we have thrown that certificate. So here you are able to see that I have got the certificate over there, certificate of completion. So here is the name of the certificate candidates that we have just write in this particular Google sheet, and this is the certificate that we have thrown. So individually, I got only the single certificate, and that person will be able to get only the single certificates. So here you are able to see that only a single file has been thrown to that particular participant. So we can download it actually. So here you will be able to see that how it is that. Let me do it once again so that it can be seen properly. So this is the certificate that we have got. Okay, individual certificate. So in this way, we can send a single document to the multiple participants individually. Thank you very much.